Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are making what's called a kedgeree. This is traditionally an English breakfast dish. It was brought over from India many moons ago. Really simple ingredients go in and it tastes absolutely phenomenal. So what you're going to need for this recipe: 2 or 3 part-boiled eggs. I like to leave them a bit runny in the middle. I've got a stick of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 500 millilitres of milk, 1 onion. I'm using some curry paste here, but you can absolutely use curry powder if you like. A bowl of rice which I cooked off yesterday. And I'm using some smoked haddock. Now you can use any fish you like, but I prefer it with a smoked haddock. So the first thing we want to do is get poaching our beautiful fish. So add your milk to a pan. We're going to bring this up to a very slight simmer. You don't want it boiling, you just want it so that it's just nice and hot, just enough to cook the fish through. Take about 10 minutes to cook this fish. So once you've rayed your fish in there, we're just going to season it with some salt and some pepper. Like I say, really important that you don't bring this milk up to the boil, you just want to leave it to sit there so that it's just hot. Just on the brink of boiling, so you'll see the odd bubble every now and then. It's the softest way to cook fish, it's absolutely delicious doing it this way. So once your fish has had about 10 minutes of boiling, you'll see that it will start to flake away. As soon as it starts flaking, that's when you know it's cooked through and it's absolutely delicious and tender. So what we're going to do now is get on with the base of the kedgeree. So you want to get your onion. I'm going to slice this up. I like to leave my onion quite chunky because I like the crunchy bits in there, but do it as fine as you like. Next up, we're going to be adding our 2 cloves of garlic. Now, a really easy way of peeling garlic, if you just take the end off it, give it a gentle whack on the side, the skin will literally just fall off. So our 2 cloves of garlic, we're going to finely mince this. So we chop it first, and then we go for a second chop just to cut through, like I say, just to mince it so that it's a bit smaller. And then we've got our ginger. Now I've got a trick here to not waste any ginger at all. So if you just remove the 2 woody ends. What I like to use, believe it or not, is a spoon. So if you scrape the skin off with a spoon, you'll literally get 0 waste whatsoever. Give it a go doing it this way because it's really good. You can slice the skin off if you like, but like I say, you get absolutely 0 waste this way. And it kind of bruises the ginger as well, which releases all its flavour. So we're just going to scrape all that skin off. You can see that it's literally leaving no waste at all. And then once we've done that, we're going to finally chop all the ginger up as well. So it's the same size as the garlic. Again, just chop it through and then chop it through again. And then it's time to assemble the dish. So into a medium hot pan, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're going to add in our onions, garlic and ginger. We're just going to fry this off for about 6-7 minutes just so that the onions start to soften. Now once your onion's soft, like I say, I'm using a curry paste here, but you can just use curry powder if you prefer. I just like the paste because it releases all its oils. Add 2 decent teaspoons of the curry paste. And we're going to cook that off again. Really importantly, cook off your spices, like I say, because it releases all the oils and everything. Then you want to add in your cold rice. Like I say, I cooked this the day before, it's just leftover rice that I've got. It's a bowl full, probably about 300-400 grams. Give that a good stir together. Now all you're doing here, don't forget, is just reheating the rice because it is already cooked. So once your dish is nice and warm again, what we're going to do is add in our fish. Now don't go mad here, don't go battering it and everything, just all you want to do is just fold it in gently, just so that the fish goes throughout the dish. For saying how simple this recipe is, honestly it tastes absolutely delicious. Like I say, it is traditionally a breakfast recipe, but you could have it at any time of the day. All I do then is just finish it off with my beautifully hard-boiled eggs. Like I say, still a little bit soft and runny in the middle, just how I like them. And then just finish that off with a little bit of coriander. And there we have it guys, a really easy Kedgeree recipe. Give this one a go guys and let me know in the comments if you enjoy it or not. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of my family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.